Your fans, here's one for you. 1968 Charger in bright red. 4-speed manual. It's a 383 car. But here's what I wanted to draw your attention to, is the owner did a comprehensive nut and bolt on this thing. Look at this. I'm not sure if it comes through in the camera, but the car is just stunningly done. Very stock, just like it rolled out. It's better than what it would look like when it came out in '68, obviously. But the attention to detail, again, fit and finish. They've done just an immaculate job on it.
Yes, there will be a live auction at 2 p.m. this afternoon, 2 p.m. And they will all be auctioning off an autographed Mopar.
Got the bright trim on the door top.
Cool
Yep, belt molding.
So at 2 o'clock, you want to be present. Right around the entrance to the museum is a great area to be.
8-track.
The doors are
awesome.
behind the plane that's right here by the blue tent. So that'd be a perfect.
And he's got the 8-track that's in it is fog hat. That is so cool. Slow ride.
And here are some of the items that you can.
There's no slow ride about this one.
Autographed Ashley Force doll. We also have a Matt Hagen die cast with autographed hero.
And there you have it, the 68 taillights, the best rear end in the business, folks, bar none.
Austin Proc hero card. An autographed and framed John Force hero card.
It doesn't surprise me to see it up on the magazines, the way this car is done and the way it looks.
And we also have an autographed and framed Robert Height and autographed Force
Holy
Family.
smokes.
The autographed Force Family National Dragster Magazine. All great things.
This is something you would see taking Carlisle, I think. You know, it's that nice and that perfect.
The silent auction. If you need to see more information about that, the blue tent's right underneath the plane is a perfect place to go.
Console mounted tachometer.
You will want to be
That's
prepared
beautiful.
and ready for this
Beautiful.
one. It's going to be great.
So there you have it, Charger fans. One of the best in the business. Absolutely, one of the best in the right color, and it is pretty. This is Gauze Garage at Mopars with Big Daddy 2024. Thank you.